Let's make some sumac chicken. I've had this sumac for a few months now and saw something on TV. This is not my recipe. I want to try it. And there's not that many ingredients. I'm going to use some oil, extra virgin olive oil, paprika, sumac, tahini, and parsley, a large onion, a couple cloves of garlic. Lemon is not in the recipe, but I think it might be good, so I might use lemon. We're going to use some pita bread and some pine nuts. And you're supposed to have 2 pounds of chicken thighs. I don't have that many pounds. I only have 1.5 pounds. We're going to make it work. And let's get started. I'm going to add some olive oil to my hot pan. I hope it's hot. Yeah, it's smoking there. And here's my chicken. I dried the chicken off with paper towels. Put salt and pepper on it. We're going to cook half the chicken right here. It's been about 3 minutes. Let's look at the chicken. And it wants to turn over. It's not sticking, so it's ready. We're going to cook the chicken in batches. It's been 4 minutes on this side. Let's make sure it's browning. It's browning quite nicely. I'm going to put it in a bowl and set it aside. We'll brown up our second half. Now, believe it or not, the other half of the meat. Believe it or not, I cut quite a bit of fat off this chicken. I could have cut some more, but it's okay. It doesn't bother me. You can cut more fat off. Now we're going to cook this chicken up just like the last batch. So this is the second batch. And I picked this piece up a minute ago, and it really wanted to stick, so now it's fine. This one still wants to stick. This one wants to stick a little bit. This one does too. My pan's probably cooling off too much. I'm going to go ahead and take it out though. It wasn't sticking really terribly or anything. Now I've been on medium heat on my stove this whole time. I'm going to go ahead and add just, I may not need it, but I'm going to add just a little bit more olive oil. I'm going to add in my onion. I sliced the onion and then kind of separated the pieces. Just using my hand like that. We're going to cook the onions. The onions have cooked about 3 minutes, maybe 3.5, and the fond is starting to get dark, so we need to move on. I'm going to add the garlic. It's 4 cloves of garlic that I sliced. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of paprika. We're going to add 3 tablespoons of sumac. Here's the sumac. It's a berry off of a bush, I suppose, and it's ground up. It's kind of lemony and sour. I'm going to stir this around until I smell the garlic. Okay, I'm going to add water, 3 cups of water. And start scraping the bottom of the pan to get all the fond up and that wonderful built-up flavor. I'm going to add the chicken back. Any juices. Put that in there and submerge it. Put it under the water and drown it. And we'll put the lid on. And we want this to simmer for 30 minutes. Well, I forgot one ingredient. I forgot this. The pine nuts, which I bought a package, which is a half a cup. I took half of them and chopped them up. I didn't obsess over it. I see some of them are still whole, but some of them are chopped up a little bit. We want to simmer those as well into the broth. This is simmered for 30 minutes. Good. And take the chicken out. We're going to shred the chicken. And we're going to reduce the sauce. Okay, I think I have all the chicken. I'm going to turn the heat up just a little bit and reduce. Our sauce has reduced down considerably. We're going to add the chicken back and turn the heat off. I kind of chopped up the chicken. You can, tear it up or however you want to do it. This chicken will soak up that sauce. I'm going to add the other 1/4 cup of pine nuts. A nice handful of parsley. Give it a stir. I'm going to give it a taste, just for if it needs any salt. I think it's we might need some, and it might not, so I'm going to leave it. It's ready to serve. I like the idea of some lemon to go with it after tasting it in the pan. So I want to take some and drizzle. And some tahini paste. Tahini paste, if you don't know, is kind of like peanut butter that is made out of a loose peanut butter that's made out of sesame seeds. It is really quite good. So we'll take a piece of bread, give it a try. It's very, very nice. It's different. It's delicious. Can't imagine anybody not liking this. Not spicy or anything. It just tastes like home cooking. Good home cooking. Thank you so much for watching.